Life is Better with a Little Spice might fit nicely on here, though. Just saying. But this is the new sheet load. It is really interesting in that you only need 2 pieces of 6x6 to make 6 cards, which is pretty impressive. I don't know that I've ever seen this. If you want the printable here, this is available on Call Me Crafty Al's channel. It's in the description of her rollout video. But I said that we were making fall, but I thought I would kind of reinterpret fall because all the votes were to do this sketch, so I think we will definitely do that. And you get all the layout thingies and how to cut. But I thought we would do more of a back to school vibe because I was kind of feeling that that would be fun. And I owe my friend a set of back to school cards. So we have not a typical fall palette, but a palette I really like. I really like this pink and purple combo. Anyway, probably not going to use the ephemera on the outside. Anyway, this is super easy to cut. I will be not really showing it on camera just because you can get it from Alicia if you want it. And she's added a new disclaimer strongly suggesting that you watch her video. I actually like her channel perks quite a lot because she distributes a Google Doc that has a graphic guide to all the sheet loads, you know, like with pictures and whatnot. But the neat thing on this one is that it only takes 2 pieces of 6x6. So I'm going to move my card stock because I know what that looks like.